Hello and welcome to Extreme Helicopter Climbing. Today our contestants are James and Mendes, the current reigning champion.
Apart from the one that's most important, which I'm winning at.
This is the final. Handing over to the ref.
She's got tight buttocks.
Right, today we're going to change the rules from the semi-final. Mendes, James, you go across to the opposite side and back, climbing down, not jumping, climbing down your ladder, placing 2 feet firmly on the floor. On the floor.
The floor.
We will start. Do you both understand the rules?
Yes, I do.
Over and back. There's potentially 2 wars. You would go on my whistle.
No, but we forgot our sponsor.
Oh, and our sponsors.
But we would go on
Today
my whistle.
are Zippo Circus, Hold Up Winning Productions.
She has got a raw camel toe going on.
Zooming in.
Zoom in. It looks like
Oh,
looks like
Okay.
a bulge.
Let's go. The final.
3, 2, 1, go!
Mendes starts off.
Mendes,
Hang on. Handing quickly to Jack Cam. Jack Cam.
Oh, James got the lead! Mendes is there! Back to Woody Cam!
Mendes is standing. James is down. He's touched the floor.
Mendes takes over!
Jack Cam takes.
James has got the early lead! And then there's Mendes! Oh, no! Oh my god! Foot!
grab him, Mendes! Oh no! It's descending to anarchy. James is climbing down. He is champ. We have a rank winner.
Mendes is lying down.
Mendes DNF did not finish.
Another one, burst of dust!
Another one, dust.
Another one, bastard dust.
James!
And another one,
helicopter
bastard.
champion.
Another one, bastard. Another one, bastard dust.
I think Roundabout is the true champion.
Interview the loser.
So I'm a loser. What do you have to say for yourself?
My foot hurts.
Yeah, just get wrecked by everyone.
Just riding some wild knees.